What's up, trackers? Winnie here, and Anthropic just pulled off the ultimate plot twist of 2026. While everyone was bracing for a massive wallet-shredding model, they quietly dropped Claude Sonnet 5. Now, usually, better AI means goodbye savings account. But Sonnet 5 is pulling a Robin Hood. It is matching and, in some wild developer benchmarks, beating the Titan itself, Opus 4.8, for a literal fraction of the cost. We are talking $3 per $1 million input tokens compared to Opus's $5. It's like getting a Michelin star meal for the price of a drive-through combo. But benchmarks lie, and I don't trust paperwork. I trust code. Today, we are putting both models into an automated multi-turn cage match using Claude Code. No human intervention. Same prompt. A completely chaotic game concept. Let's see who builds the better universe and who burns through our budget first. Let's track it.
To test their actual agentic logic, meaning their ability to write code, spin up a local preview server, and autonomously debug, we are giving them a strict aesthetic prompt. First up, we run it through Sonnet 5 with the effort slider maxed out. It clocks in a solid 2 minutes of heavy thinking time, running tool commands to initialize a local Python server. Then, we jump back to the main interface, switch the model dropdown over to the heavyweight champion, Opus 4.8, paste the exact same prompt, and let it rip. What's awesome about the desktop app is how both models automatically open up a side-by-side Claude preview panel to test their creations before deployment. Let's expand these to full screen and check out the hidden differences in how these two minds interpret cyberpunk physics. Sonnet 5's rendition is incredibly clean. The physics feel immediate and punchy. It nailed the trail particles and generated a beautifully minimalist grid background.
The obstacles are straight vertical columns that force you to perfectly time your flips. Simple, addictive, and visually flawless. Now, look at Opus 4.8. It added its own spin by styling the title as Neon Ninja Gravity Runner and adding subtle starfield elements to the grid background. But check out the obstacle logic. It actually went a step further, spawning two types of hazards: standard vertical laser columns and tricky horizontal laser barriers hugging the floor and ceiling. Plus, that full-screen color shift on the game over screen adds an extra arcade touch. Both games are phenomenal single-shot builds, but here is where the results get absolutely mind-boggling. All right, trackers, let's look at the actual receipt from this build, because these numbers are wild. First, Sonnet 5 drops a clean 5.0K tokens, thanks for 2 minutes 4 seconds, and costs just 0.015 cents. Side by side, Opus 4.8 takes a near-identical 5.1K tokens and finishes in just over 2 minutes 2 seconds, but it charges you 0.025 cents for the exact same run. Sonnet 5 takes the green light here, giving you the same efficiency and speed for a massive 40% savings.
If you're building fully automated game engines or complex multi-step code bases, Opus 4.8's ability to seamlessly inject secondary logic mechanics like those multivariant lasers is incredible. But for rapid UI prototyping, stellar layout design, and keeping your API wallet happy, Sonnet 5 is an absolute no-brainer for daily use. Which game layout did you think looked better? Are you Team Sonnet Grid or Team Opus Starfield? Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button to keep tracking these tools before they track you. I've been Winnie for AI Tool Tracker. See you in the next Matrix.